Introduction. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of machine learning. Today we're going to explore the various algorithms that power this fascinating field. Machine learning, at its core, is about teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. But what are these algorithms and how do they work? Let's break it down into simple terms. We'll cover the main types of algorithms, from supervised to unsupervised learning. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about AI, grab a seat and let's get started. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is like having a teacher who provides examples and correct answers. The algorithm learns by comparing its predictions to the known outcomes. Two common types of supervised learning are regression and classification. Regression is used to predict numerical values like house prices or stock market trends. Classification, on the other hand, is used to categorize data, such as identifying spam emails or diagnosing diseases. Popular algorithms for supervised learning include linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees. These algorithms are the backbone of many real-world applications, from recommendation systems to fraud detection. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning, as the name suggests, doesn't have labeled data. The algorithm must discover patterns and relationships on its own. Two main tasks in unsupervised learning are clustering and association rule learning. Clustering groups similar data points together, like grouping customers based on their purchasing behavior. Association rule learning finds associations between variables, like discovering that people who buy diapers also tend to buy beer. Common algorithms for unsupervised learning include k-means clustering and a priori algorithm. These algorithms are used in market basket analysis, anomaly detection, and many other applications. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a bit different from the other two. It's about learning through trial and error, like teaching a robot to walk. The algorithm learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. This is the type of learning used in self-driving cars and game-playing AI. Popular algorithms for reinforcement learning include Q-learning and deep Q networks. Reinforcement learning has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from robotics to healthcare. Conclusion. We've covered the three main types of machine learning algorithms: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each type has its own strengths and is used for different tasks. Remember, these algorithms are just tools. The real power of machine learning lies in how we apply them to solve real-world problems. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and powerful algorithms emerge. So, whether you're a data scientist or simply a curious mind, understanding these algorithms is a great way to appreciate the incredible potential of machine learning.